The Air Cargo Management course gives an overview of the trends and challenges facing air freight professionals today. Issues such as revenue management, where demand forecasting has a short 7 to 14 days booking window, impact of e-business, and quality control in the air cargo chain. This is an interactive course with participants from supervisory to management levels. They come from different companies in the air cargo chain from all over the world, and they share their views, experiences, as well as learn from best practices. By taking this course, you'll learn about shippers' needs, focus on relationship marketing, and understand the commercial fundamentals of the air cargo business. The aim is to enhance your firm's profitability.